Let me show you how to install the solar generator. This is the control panel here. These are the circuit breakers. There's actually two circuits that we have set up inside the control panel. There's circuit 1, circuit 2, independently operated, but actually on the same battery setup. On the side here, we have our battery main turnoff switch. We also have our first switch here, which is it's a circuit breaker for the battery. And we have a second circuit breaker for the solar panel. Finally, on this model of solar generator, we actually have 120 volts AC plug, which is controlled by an inverter. And once you start to turn on all of the control panel, then the AC inverter, it's automatically started up. So what we do to install this, once it's landed at the site that we want to go to, we want to power it up. We take our cable, which comes with the trailer, and we take this and we will install the cable into our connector like this. It's a 4-position plug, just turns and locks. I'd cut the tie wrap and I'll run it. We have a hole in the bottom of the trailer here, so this cable will route through the bottom of the trailer. Once the cable's ran and connected to the other side of wherever it's going to go, we're going to start to turn on or power on the system. So obviously the panels would be out. In this case, I'm going to do it without the panels being out. We turn the battery on. So we turn it vertical. Vertical would mean the power is on. The next thing we do is we turn our battery on, and we'll see our battery monitor display come on, and it says connecting. It might take a few minutes for it to communicate with the machine, with the actual solar controller. The next part I'm going to do, even though the solar panels are not out, I'm going to switch on the circuit breaker for the solar panels. So if that breaker's off and the solar panels are out, there's not any electricity being generated. So that breaker must be on. The battery breaker must be on to power the solar charger, and the solar panel circuit breaker must be turned on so the energy gets to the solar charger. Finally, after all of that, we can now turn on our power to the cable. So this is circuit 1, power on, circuit 2, power on, and that's it. It's complete.